Hey, what's up? I'm Sarah, and today I'm doing an unboxing for Daily Goodie Box for the month of March. I have the links to the products in the description box if you'd like to check them out, as well as the link for the website and their Facebook page, so you can sign up and increase your chances of getting a box by posting on their Facebook posts. They post quite often, so you have a lot of chances. I did review or actually try out some of the products so that I could tell you about them. So the first thing I'd like to talk about is Jessica's Naturals Foods Vanilla Maple Granola. So to start off, I have tried her muffin mix in a few different variations. You can even see my pictures on Instagram. They are so delicious, and I've been really wanting to try her granola. But this granola is super delicious, and it's vanilla maple in a resealable bag. And the vanilla maple actually smells like the vanilla maple granola that I recently, the vanilla maple almond butter that I recently made. So we know that this is truthfully a vanilla maple scent because they smell the same. So this is made with simple ingredients: oats, honey, brown sugar, oil, flaxseed, water, maple syrup, cinnamon. Okay, then I also got these Hubbard's Peanut Company home cooked salt Virginia peanuts. Self-explanatory. The one thing I'd like to point out is that I like that they say there's coconut oil and peanut oil. It doesn't say some random may contain cottonseed oil, because you see that on a lot of packages, so at least they tell you what's in here, and it's not that much sodium. The Jackpot Prince and Spring Sea Salt Popcorn. Self-explanatory. It tastes like any other popcorn. Really nothing special about it. It doesn't have that much sodium, and it's non-GMO. Sparkling Avitae Caffeine and Water. This is the flavor Black Cherry. It has 0 calories, 0 sugar. I'm not really sure what the heck they put in here because it just says carbonated water, citric acid, natural caffeine, and then natural flavor. The caffeine is from green coffee beans. I read that on their website. It does have 90 milligrams of caffeine. It's five ingredients or less. Coconut lime lip balm. This is just a simple natural ingredient lip balm. I approve of the ingredient list, and I think it's cute that it's Fyve. And it smells like key lime pie. This next product is Greenshield Organic Go Laundry Detergent in the scent Lavender. And it's supposed to be good, clean, and honest. And I really like the fact that their first ingredient is water, but then they use actual soap berries, which if you've never heard of, they're shaped like berries and they basically emit soap. So they have that, and then they also have the typical soap ingredient, which is oil and hydroxide, which is used to make soap. So I like the combination, and I'm interested to try this. And you can just use one packet for a full load of laundry. Not doing laundry for maybe like 2 weeks, so that's why I haven't used it yet. But I'm excited, and they are no animal testing, so cruelty-free. You can use it for high efficiency, and it's organic in a convenient pouch. GLEEN electronic cleaning cloth. It actually came in this envelope, and basically you just dab water on it and use that to naturally clean your phone screen. But because it's like a fiber cloth, I feel like it would clean the screen even without having to use water. So this is what the green clean cloth looks like, and has instructions on the bottom for washing it. You actually don't need to use water. You can just use this like any other microfiber cloth. So let's test it out. So my phone, if I go like that, you can see all the little like oil smudges. All right, so this screen is looking like super shiny without any oils on it. From the side, you can actually see the reflection so much clearer now because there's no smudges. Yep. See that? So the GLEEN electronic fiber cloth does work really well. I don't know how well it holds up because I haven't washed it yet, but it works well for cleaning and making my phone super shiny. And the last thing that I'm going to mention is the Natralia Eczema Moisturizing Lotion. So Daily Goodie Box had sent an anti-itch cream from the same brand, and that one didn't really work that well. It gave a cooling effect, but it didn't work long term. And this one is not very moisturizing. It works as a hand moisturizer. See, my hands look nice and soft, but it doesn't make my arms feel moisturized. So really, I would just use this as a hand moisturizer. And they did send a full size, so I really appreciate that. But it unfortunately is not that moisturizing for me. Okay, so that's everything inside the box for March. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the links If you're interested in signing up, if you're interested in checking out these products, it's all down in the box below. And I will talk to you in another video. You can also check out my other videos, unboxings, if you're interested.